as I can see, y'all, this looks like it's gonna be a fail. I know it, but hey guys, I literally just woke up and I am going to go ahead and take this off so that we can start getting these babies in my hair. So if you didn't see my last video, I did a full locks takedown with a wash day, and this wash day leads into this video. So in my last video, I used the Nairobi soft finish leave-in. So right now that's all that's in my hair. After it's been washed, I put this and then I just went to bed. So my hair is probably about 80 to 90% dry. And today I'm going to use the Nairobi Wrapp-It Shine Foaming Lotion. So that's what I'm gonna use today for this hairstyle. And of course, I'm gonna be using these babies. So, if that's what you came to see, then stay tuned. Alright, so just let's get right into it. I'm just gonna pin up, since my hair is already in sections, I'm just gonna leave it in sections. That's gonna make things a lot easier for me. So, okay, so let's talk about these for now. I got these off of Amazon and it has 40 in it. It has a small one and it has a big one. I don't know if you could see the size. So this one is the big one, this one is the small one. There's 20 of these and there's 20 of these. So 40 of these should be good enough for my hair. I'm gonna put the small ones to the front of my hair and I'm gonna put the bigger ones to the back of my hair. Just because I want the small ones to come up a little tighter. So we'll see how that goes. I can't remember how much I bought them. I think I bought them for like $5. I have no idea. It took forever to get here because I thought I got it off of Prime and I didn't. So it took forever, like 2 or 3 weeks to get here. But point is, I have it and I can do this review for you. So let's just get right into it. I will put the information, everything down in the description so that you can find it if you need it. Gonna section up my hair. Okay, and that's how it looks. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this all through my hair. When I get to the front, I'm gonna show you exactly how I do it. First thing I do is I take some of my setting foam. I work it through my hair, especially through the ends. Get a little bit more. Okay. Then I take out any tangles that I may have with a fine tooth comb. I smooth it out. I stretch it out. And then I take this, I flip the ends around the barrel. Make sure that my ends are secure. And then I start rolling the rest of my hair into the barrel of the spoolie. And once I get to the top, I make sure everything looks smooth. There's just a little bit of hair that didn't want to go in. Okay, everything looks smooth. and then I close it up. And that's it. So let's just go ahead and take them out. Oh Lord Jesus. I am so relieved that it actually doesn't look too bad. Now I'm gonna take some of my oil and I'm going to unravel these. Guys, I really like this product. I think my curls came out pretty cute, pretty neat, right? So I think this is probably a good contender to the Flexi Rod set, but to be honest with you, I probably would choose my Flexi Rods over this. Why? Because with the Flexi Rods, you can get those cute wand curls and you can get curls looking like this, but with this, the only type of curls you can get are curls looking like this. So I would probably choose my Flexi Rods over this, but nonetheless, it's really cute and it did a really good job on my short hair. So two things, I actually kept this in for 24 hours and my hair was still damp after I took it out. So what I would do probably if I try this again, I would probably do it either on blow dried hair or blown out hair, or I would put it in and then blow dry it to set it and then leave it to like air dry. And another thing is, y'all know I do not like fluffy roots. Like, I do everything I can to avoid fluffy roots, and this time I didn't twist my roots to just see how this would be without twisting my roots, and my roots are fluffy. Like, you could see my curl pattern at the roots, and I don't necessarily like that. So I think if I try this again, I would do it a different way. I would start from the roots, start rolling from the roots instead of rolling from the ends first, and maybe that would make it better and make my roots less fluffy. But I think my results came out pretty cool. It's so cute. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and that's all I have for you today. Oh, and my girl Loaferette, I'm gonna put her link to a video down here in the description. She did this set also on her longer Fossy hair and it looks dope. I saw the pictures and I was like, oh my god, it's so cute. So you can go ahead and watch her video. I'll put the link down in the description. Thank you so much for watching. I will put everything that I've used in this video down in the description also. If you have any comments or any suggestions on how I can actually make this look better, especially for my roots, then you can go ahead and put that down in the comments. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and I hope to see you in the next one. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.